Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
Like there are a lot of misconceptions in this modern world
Yes.
about pregnancy and delivery.
Yes.
What are those misconceptions and how can we change that narrative?
What are those misconceptions? One, I can
Of
just
the
talk
importance of
about things that I learned, which
Yes.
were like mind opening for me.
Right.
So everyone talks about how labor is painful, right?
Right.
I had no idea that when you are going through those surges, the waves of contraction that happens to you, वो contraction क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वो धीरे धीरे the baby is moving down through the birth canal. Your baby is going through the equal and enough amount of effort itself. So your baby is riding those waves with you. I never knew that. I thought that it's just the mother who's doing everything and the baby comes out, because, yeah, but the baby is going through enough and same amount of effort as you. That was eye opening for me. What I also learned is that when the baby goes through the birth canal, it actually takes all the good microbiomes from the vagina, which actually in later helps for building its immune system. And the contraction that happens while it comes out of the vagina clears out the fluids from the lungs.
Okay.
So later in life, the baby will never develop asthma or any respiratory problems and things like that. So that was like really eye-opening for me. Everything and anything that I learned about pregnancy, to be very honest, was eye-opening. But few things, not just related to pregnancy, but what opened my mind was that the makeup that we are consuming, the perfumes that we are using are all full of toxins and are actually affecting our fertility. And our fertility is not just equivalent to pregnancy. औरत का fertility is responsible for the divine goddess that a woman is. So if your womb is healthy, it is one of the beautiful thing that you can do for yourself to heal your body, mind and spirit, because then you will be living like the divine goddess that you are and you're supposed to be. So that I learned that pregnancy is just a pathway for you to understand that your body is sacred. Pregnancy is a spiritual journey. And you are responsible not just for your well-being, but the well-being for your child. Yeah. And
Very well put.
yeah. And the universe comes down. God's actually come down if you have decided certain things to support you. And you're always supported and protected by your ancestors, by the ones who you can't see. And you're always loved, and the universe is always by your side. And yeah, it's a beautiful journey. Just embrace it, let it flow, let just the juiciness of life come back, and know that you will be an amazing mother. And it's a blessing that we women can birth children.